Sa video natin today, pag-uusapan natin ng dalawang sikat na business finance platforms, Mercury and Relay. Hey guys, ako si Ashley. Kung iniisip nyo kung alin sa dalawang platform ang mas okay para i-manage yung business money nyo, like sa pag-send ng transfers, pag-issue ng cards, at pag-track ng expenses, this video is gonna break it down for you. Ang Mercury and Relay ay parehong kilala for being modern fee-free alternatives to traditional business banking. Pero under the surface, they're built very differently. Kaya sa ending ng video na to, you'll know exactly which one is the right fit for your business at kung bakit. So, sige, simulan na natin. Una, ano ba ang Mercury and Relay? Si Mercury ay isang financial technology company. Hindi siya FDIC insured bank. Yung banking services niya ay galing sa Choice Financial Group A and Evolve Bank and Trust members FDIC. Yung deposit insurance covers the failure of an insured bank. Si Relay ay financial technology company din, pero mas nakafocus sa business banking for small teams, agencies, and freelancers. Katulad ng Mercury, hindi rin siya bank. Yung banking services niya ay galing sa Third Bank members FDIC. So parehong nasa isang category si Mercury and Relay bilang tech platforms na nag-o-offer ng modern business bank accounts gamit ang partner banks. Pareho silang pang-open ng business accounts, pang-issue ng debit cards, at pag-send ng pera gamit lang ng digital dashboard. Pero magkaiba yung core features and structures nila. So sige, tignan natin yung key features nila. Unahin natin si Mercury. Si Mercury ay ginawa talaga para sa startups and remote teams, lalo na yung mga tech-forward and digital first. Kapag nag-open ka ng account sa Mercury, magkakaroon ka ng access sa checking and savings accounts nila through their partner banks. Pwede rin gumawa ng multiple accounts para mas ma-manage mo yung cash flow, tulad ng pag-set aside ng funds for taxes, payroll, o operating expenses. Si Mercury nag-offer ng free domestic and international wire transfers in USD na malaking advantage kung nagbabayad ka ng contractors o vendors sa ibang bansa. Yung ganitong klaseng access with extra fees is uncommon in the traditional banking world. Makakuha ka rin ng physical and virtual debit cards. Mercury debit cards ay ini-issue ng Choice Financial Group, Column A, and Evolve Bank and Trust, members FDIC. Gamit ang licenses from MasterCard. Pwedeng i-assign yung card sa team members, mag-set up ng spending limits, and i-track lahat sa platform. Naka-integrate din ito directly sa tools like QuickBooks, Xero, and Zapier, at may developer-friendly API pa for custom automations. Para sa companies na may malalaking balances, standout feature talaga ang Mercury Treasury. Dito pwede mong ilagay yung excess funds sa short-term instruments to earn yield. Ang Mercury Treasury ay ina-offer ng Mercury Advisory LLC, isang SEC-registered investment advisor. Itong communication na to ay hindi offer to sell o solicitation of any offer to purchase any security. Yung funds sa Mercury Treasury ay subject sa investment risk, kasama na yung possible loss ng principal na ininvest. At yung past performance is not indicative of future results. Pakitignan ang full disclosures at mercury.com/treasury. Ang Mercury Advisory ay wholly owned subsidiary ng Mercury Technologies. Mercury also provides helpful tools for venture-backed startups, kaya ng investor dashboards, advanced permissions, and multi-entity management gamit lang ang isang login. Kung gusto mo magsimula sa Mercury, gamitin mo lang yung exclusive link namin sa description sa baba. Kapag ginamit mo yung link at nag-deposit ka ng $10,000 in the first 90 days, you can earn $250 in cash. Punta naman tayo sa key features ng Relay. Relay is built for ease of use, lalo na para sa teams and businesses na gumagamit ng profit-first method o yung closely working with accountants. Pwede ka mag-open ng up to 20 individual checking accounts, kaya mas simple mag-allocate ng pera para sa taxes, savings, o team budgets. Pwede mo rin silang lagyan ng label and i-manage individually. Sa Relay, pwede ka rin mag-issue ng up to 50 physical o virtual debit cards, at may control ka kung alin sa accounts ang gagamitin and how much each can spend per day or week. Ang ganda rin ng features nito for accountants kasi pwede mong bigyan ng restricted access yung bookkeepers or CPAs nang hindi mo kailangan ibigay yung sariling login mo. Plus, nakasync na agad siya sa QuickBooks Online. Libre din ng ACH transfers and domestic wires. Pero sa ngayon, ang Relay ay wala pang support for international wires, at malaking difference yun compared sa Mercury. Wala rin itong mobile check deposits, kaya medyo hassle kung natanggap ka ng physical checks. Ngayon, tignan natin yung pricing and fees ng dalawa. Pareho silang Mercury and Relay na nagpaposition bilang fee-free business banking alternatives. At totoo naman yun, si Mercury walang monthly fees, walang overdraft fees, at walang charges para sa domestic o international USD wires. Libre din ang debit cards and additional accounts. Si Relay, no account fees, no minimums, libreng ACH and domestic wire transfers. Pwede ka mag-issue ng up to 50 cards, mag-open ng 20 accounts, at makipag-collaborate sa accountant mo nang walang dagdag na bayad. Pero, ang pinaka-difference ay Mercury is my support para sa international USD wire transfers ng libre, habang si Relay wala talagang international payments. Kaya kung yung business mo ay nagpapadala o tumatanggap ng funds mula sa labas ng US, mas bagay talaga si Mercury. Ngayon, punta naman tayo tayo sa pros and cons. Unahin natin si Mercury. Ideal platform ang Mercury para sa modern businesses na kailangan ng speed, scalability, and seamless money movement. Ang dashboard niya ay clean, intuitive, at madaling i-navigate kahit sa hindi naman finance people. You also get powerful automation tools, custom integrations, and global payment support. Yung international wire transfer feature can save time and money for remote teams. At kung malaki ang balances mo, meron ding treasury feature that allows you to earn yield. Isang bagay na walang karamihan ng ibang platforms. Reminder lang, si Mercury ay para lang talaga sa US registered businesses. Hindi to bagay sa companies na umaasa sa in-person support o sobrang daming paperwork. Pero ang maganda, pwede ka magbayad sa global vendors in over 40 currencies at may malinaw na 1% exchange fee lang. Kaya mas flexible siya kung gusto mong mag-grow internationally. Ngayon naman, punta tayo sa pros and cons ng Relay. Perfect si Relay para sa businesses na gusto mag-follow ng profit first method o yung gusto ng malinaw na budgeting sa bawat department o project. Pwede ka mag-label at mag-manage ng up to 20 checking accounts, kaya mas madali ang cash management at yung account tools niya ay top tier para sa collaborative bookkeeping. Maganda rin si Relay pagdating sa team card management dahil pwede ka mag-issue ng up to 50 debit cards with spending controls. Perfect to para sa teams, agencies, or growing service providers. Ang main limitation lang nito ay walang international payments, kaya kung may contractors ka sa ibang bansa, you'll need another solution alongside Relay. Wala rin siyang mobile check deposit at hindi nag-offer ng treasury or yield options. Kaya mas nakafocus siya sa pag-organize ng cash than growing it. So, alin nga bang dapat mong piliin? Kung may US-based startup ka, online business, or remote team at kailangan mo ng access sa international wires, automation tools, and treasury features, si Mercury ang best option. Ginawa ito for businesses na gusto mag-scale, makatipid sa banking fees, at magkaroon ng malaking control over how money moves, all through a modern platform that just works. Kung gusto mo mag-start sa Mercury and have a chance to get $250 cash if you deposit 10K in the first 90 days, gamitin mo lang yung link namin sa description below. Gusto ko lang sabihin pala sa'yo na affiliate links to, so may maliit kaming commission at no extra cost to you, kaya kung gagamitin mo yung link namin, sobrang thank you in advance sa support nyo. Sa kabilang banda, kung ang main goal mo naman ay domestic budgeting, team expense control, and smooth na collaboration with your accountant, ang Relay ay solid na choice. At may cases din na you might use both. Halimbawa, pwede mong gamitin ang Relay para i-manage yung profit first buckets and team cards, habang gamit mo naman ang Mercury para sa treasury, international payments, and startup integrations. Ang pagpili ng tamang financial stack ay nakaka-overwhelm minsan, lalo na kung sabay-sabay mong hinahandle yung growth, clients, at lahat pa ng kailangan gawin bilang founder. Pero yung small decisions like which platform handles your transfers or issues your team cards can really impact your efficiency. Personally, feeling ko sobrang strong choice si Mercury for businesses na gusto ng flexibility and payment options. Pinapasimple niya yung back-end so you can focus on what you do best. Kahit anong platform ang piliin mo, siguraduhin mo that it supports the way you run your business now and into the future. So, ayun, dito na nagtatapos ang video na to. Ang channel na to ay para makatulong sa founders, freelancers, at small business owners to make smarter decisions about the tools they use to grow. Kung nag-enjoy ka sa video na to, huwag mong kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe at mag-iwan na rin ng comments o questions sa baba because we'd love to hear from you. Salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.